What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Kevin. Today I'm out here in beautiful Cap Antibes, and I'm gonna end up going not where the yacht is, but past the yacht. I'm gonna go around the corner over there and I'm gonna go for a swim because it's 34 degrees right now. It's only 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and let's see what happens. Alright guys, I've arrived to the beach. Had to do a bit of walking on the park, and look at these beautiful flowers, wow. But I arrived to the beach, a place that I always like to come, $1 Million Bay. Look at this place. It's such a nice little spot just to come and check out, and I mean, man, look at the color of the water. It's gorgeous down here, man. And today, not a lot of people down here, and that's kind of nice, because normally on a day like today when it's 34 degrees outside, it can get pretty packed down here. You can't even find a spot. But the only thing I didn't bring was a pair of goggles to go snorkeling, so maybe I'll go check out down the other end, and yeah, I'll go to a spot that I like to go to way over here. It's a beautiful spot. Look at these houses all barricaded up so you can't see in, but yeah, nice beach to come to. Stay tuned, I'm gonna go for a swim. Look at the color of that water, it's crystal clear. And I mean, it's gonna be fun to go for a swim. And where I like to go is a little hidden spot just over here on these little barricades. And it's a nice spot to come. You got people from all over the world that come to this spot because it's a beautiful place to come and check out. And wait till you see where I'm going. You see the color of that water? It's gorgeous. I mean, this is what I'm talking about. It's 34 degrees outside. It's peace and quiet right here. We got nobody really on this beach at all. And I mean, come on, that is beautiful. You can go snorkeling, see all the fish. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna jump in, go for a swim, get some of the heat off of me because today I'm a little bit warm. Let's go under. Well guys, I had a good swim today. Nice crystal clear teal water, so beautiful. If you guys liked that video today, smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave me a comment, whatever you like. Thanks for watching.